Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add an order tracking page to your Shopify store. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard. From the bottom left corner, click on Settings. A new Settings tab will appear on the screen, and from here, find and open Apps and Sales Channels. This page shows all the apps installed in your store, and to install Order Tracking app, go to the top right corner and click on Shopify App Store. It will open up in a new tab on the screen. Once the App Store loads, use the search bar and search for order tracking. Browse through the results and choose the app that best fits your needs. When you find the right one, click on it. On the app page, click on the Install button to start the installation. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install again to allow access. After the app is installed, look for the option that says Add Tracking Page and click on it. A pop-up will appear on the screen. Here you can choose where you want to display the tracking page, either in the main menu or the footer menu. Select the menu you prefer and click Next. Now enter the menu name you want to show on your storefront. Then link it to the tracking page provided by the app. Once everything is set, click on Save. Now let's preview your store. You will see the new tracking menu added to your website. Click on that to open tracking page, and there you go. When customers open it, they can track their orders by entering the required details. And that's it. This is how you can easily add an order tracking page to your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.